Have you ever pondered over the process of getting a driving license in Sweden? Well, buckle up, because today we're going on a journey to unravel this step-by-step guide to becoming a licensed driver in the land of the Northern Lights and meatballs. First off, it's essential to know that the minimum age to start this process is 16. So, if you've blown out 16 candles on your last birthday cake, you're good to go. The first step in this process involves enrolling in a driving school. Sweden has numerous prestigious driving schools that offer comprehensive training. The choice of school is entirely up to you, depending on your location, budget, and personal preference. Once you're enrolled, you'll begin with theoretical lessons. These lessons will cover everything from road signs to traffic rules, providing you with a strong foundation before you start maneuvering a vehicle. The next step is the risk education, a mandatory part of the training. This includes two parts. Risk 1 focuses on alcohol, drugs, fatigue, and risky behavior, while Risk 2 is practical and involves slippery road driving. Parallel to the theoretical lessons, you'll also start taking practical driving lessons. Here, you'll start with basic control of the vehicle before moving on to more complex situations like highway driving and navigating through city traffic. When you feel confident enough, it's time to take the theory test. This test includes 65 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 52 correctly to pass. After passing the theory test, it's time for the final step, the practical driving test. This test will assess your driving skills in real-life traffic situations. Pass both tests and voila, you're now a licensed driver in Sweden. To summarize, acquiring a driving license in Sweden involves a systematic process. The adventure kicks off when you register at a driving school at the tender age of 16. Then, you embark on theoretical lessons and risk education, followed by practical driving lessons. With YDA, both Risk 1 and Risk 2 education can be completed on the same day, making the process more efficient. Once you're prepared, you take the theory test and finally, the practical driving test. Remember, the journey to becoming a licensed driver in Sweden is not a sprint. It's crucial to proceed at your own speed, learn at your convenience, and only take the tests once you feel absolutely ready. So, if you're 16 and in Sweden, why not start your journey to transform into a licensed driver? It might appear intimidating initially, but with patience and practice, you'll soon be ready to conquer the roads. Happy driving!